Hey, this video is for my Scott's 21-inch 3-in-1 mulch bag and side discharge mower, rear drive, model number 907254, or better known as LM21SW. I bought this mower from a neighbor, or a neighbor's friend, about maybe a year back, or a little longer probably, for 90 bucks. It had the engine needed a big tune-up and all that shit, and I actually have to lap the valves pretty soon because they're not seating all the way properly, so it kind of surges. That was my fault though. I cleaned it and I didn't lap them before I put it back together. Working on getting the lap tool, but I have the lapping compound. Anyways, I like this mower. It's because it's got the swivel wheels. I do not have the side discharge attachment, unfortunately, or the shroud cover. I asked him about that. He said his friend told him he didn't have it. It's got a pretty good condition bag. High capacity, and got a Briggs & Stratton, probably about a 6.5, I don't know, maybe 7 horse. Anyways, get my little wire here. It's a real nice mower. Good drive, except for I need to get me a new friction disc, which is going to cost me probably about 60 bucks, I imagine, if I remember correctly. But for now, it's holding up. Anyways, so this is a somewhat of a cold start. Of course, didn't help. May as well call it a hot start because it's 91 degrees out here. Anyway, so here it goes. See, there's a surge. Here's the drive speed control. Here's the drive gauge. Yeah, as I said, so you can tell it's really surging. Anyways, since they don't make Scotts anymore, I guess John Deere owns the rights for the parts. But if you're actually looking for parts, you could just look up the LM21SW under Ariens. They have the same exact mower model, same bag, I think same engine, same exact wheels, same drive system, same deck, same color, same just about everything, just different label. Anyways, so I might make another video after this after I lap the valves. Anyways, if you have any questions about this or anything else, feel free to shoot me a question. Till then, see ya.